Thank you to the Lower Eastern Shore Beekeeping Association, Dean Burrows, and Chris Scott, my mentor. This is my first attempt at catching a swarm of bees. My mentor, Chris Scott, loaned me a nook, which he fitted with a frame with built-up comb and some honey to increase my chances of success. I brought the nook to my farm and placed it on top of my old farm truck, which was near an apple tree in blossom. I sprayed the inside of the nook with a lemongrass spray. Just a little bit on the inside of the cover and the inside of the nook. Set the nook up, and within a half hour I had a few bees investigating the nook. This nook has been there for only 3 days, and I see quite a bit of activity. I am not there the whole time, so I'm not sure whether they actually have taken over the nook as a hive and maybe installed a queen, or they're just robbing the hive. But it seems from the activity at the entrance, it seems like they're treating it like their own hive. One thing that I noticed in the short time that I observed the hive, there were bees landing on the platform and just dying. In the course of an hour, there were like 12 bees that did that. But as you can see, there's hundreds of bees coming and going. So again, I'm going to wait, and one evening I'll investigate the hive and take the top off and see if they're staying through the night or they're just robbing the hive. Thanks again to my mentor, Chris Scott, and the Lower Eastern Shore Beekeeping Association. I thank you.